Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna and today I'll guide you through how to turn on or off nearby device scanning on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Nearby device scanning is a helpful feature that allows your phone to automatically search for nearby compatible devices such as smart TVs, earbuds, speakers, and other Galaxy devices. This makes connecting faster and more convenient, especially when using features like Quick Share or Smart View. To begin, open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage and customize your device's features. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections at the top section of the menu. This area contains all network-related settings there. Once the Connections menu, scroll down a little more and tap on More Connection Settings. This section includes additional wireless and background connectivity features. Now look for nearby device scanning in the list and tap on it. You will see our toggle switch at the top of the screen. To turn on nearby device scanning, simply tap the switch so it turns blue. Your phone will now automatically scan for compatible nearby devices in the background. If you disable it to save battery life or reduce background activity, tap the switch again. The toggle will turn gray and nearby device scanning will be turned off. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Quantum Tech Lab for more simple and practical tech tutorials to enhance your digital experience.